one of the three was staffed by the same city and the most prominent one to live in. It's the best country in the 60s, 70s, and 80s song of the South Bend. So that was
Try to push it in. There we go! Sorry guys. Kind of pretty on my horse. Oh! That is just crumped down. Are you still video here?
Yep. Hey there, don't go in front of me.
It's still in there. Luigi. Yeah.
Now that's Julie riding Bailey out in the woods.
Oh, Cricket's coming. There goes Cricket.
And we got a freeloader. There she goes. See you, Cricket.
Yesterday when we were out here, Popper was following us everywhere. Except when it came to the creek, he stopped and turned around.
This is Ashley. She's a Silver Bailey, and we call her Bailey. Bailey's a really nice horse. She's a Silver Bailey. Great trail horse. That's Ashley Cloyd going through the pond on She's a Silver Bailey. Here go the kids through the big gully here in the woods. Good job, Julie.
How it works like that. Your parents are like, don't give you nothing, but when the kids come along all at once, they're giving them everything.
That's the kids there, going out trail riding on
I couldn't walk by my dad without ducking.
Bailey and